guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Monday. We are outside the Walmart today to do some Ibotta shopping. Sorry if the AC is kind of loud. We just got done shopping and it is warmed up tremendously outside, so it is hot. So I am working on my husband's account today. My plan is to come back to Walmart later in the week to work on my account because of the bunny hop bonuses we got last week. His was $10 for 16 offers, and then he got a midweek this morning that was $3 for 15 offers. So I'm gonna get $13 back for completing 16 offers. Now, I'm only doing, I think, 13 in store today. Yeah, we're only doing 13 in store today, and then I'm gonna do 3 pay with Ibottas. Originally I was going to do 14 in store. However, I've already shopped. They didn't have an item I wanted in stock. So we'll do 3 pay with Ibottas later on to hit both the midweek and bunny hop bonus. And like I said, I want to come back later in the week to do my bunny hop, which is $10 for 21 offers. So super excited to hopefully knock out Walmart twice this week. The rebates are kind of slow again, but since I'm getting $13 back, I'm kind of balling out and getting things that we need, things that I know our family needs and will eat, use, etc. So not a freebie, not a money maker. It's gonna be, yes, it's gonna be a decent out of pocket today, but considering the amount we're saving, I will take it. I will take any kind of savings I can on things that I'd purchase anyways, with our grocery shopping and with, you know, baby essentials, things like that. So if you are new to any of the rebate apps I'm using, today, they are linked in my description box. I believe we're just using Ibotta and Shopkicks, but super simple, super easy, and I only use 2 paper coupons, so that's that. We're gonna go ahead and get into the store, but real quick, if you are new, welcome. We are so glad that you are here. We got the big guy shopping with us today. He has his own little shopping list with him. He has to buy some little dinner meals for himself. I think he ended up grabbing an Easter basket. He wasn't supposed to see it, but will he remember? No. So he likes it, so at least I know I picked out a good Easter basket for him. He came for the snacks. He has a grocery list of snacks he needs. So we're grabbing his snacks. Yeah, anywho, I'm getting so sidetracked because he's being so loud. So, like I said, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're going to go ahead and get into shopping. Alright, so first deal I'm going to grab is some artisan dog biscuits. My dog is all out of treats, so I thought this was the perfect time to buy. They were $3.73, and I realized they've gone up to $3.88 now. So I'll pay $3.88 out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it a cost of $2.88, and something I'd probably buy anyways because he is a spoiled dog. So this by no means is the greatest deal, but it's something we'd have to buy anyways since Walgreens quit doing the buy one get 2 free storage bag deal. So I'm looking at the hefty storage slider quart bags at $2.78 each. I have to grab 2 to meet the requirements for the Ibotta rebate, so that would total me $5.56 out of pocket for both that I would pay at the register and submit to Ibotta for $1 back when I purchase 2, making it $4.56 for both of them. I have a baby shower coming up very soon, so I'm going to stock up on some more of the Loves. They're priced at $5.47. I'll pay that at the register, submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making it just $3.97. They were stocking all over my store this morning, so I had to film the Pepsi mini cans here in the cart. They are $2.98. I'm going to pay that out of pocket at the register and submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it $1.98. Also something we'd buy anyways because I am an avid soda drinker. The Renewsit cones are 97 cents each. I'm going to grab 2 of them for the Ibotta rebate and pay $1.94 at the register. I'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it 94 cents for both. I know we did get coupons in our 410 save this week for buy 4 get 2 free. You can go ahead and do that. The Ibotta rebate is a limit of 1, but I feel like it's a better deal to just go ahead and grab the 2 and avoid using the coupon. I'm going to grab one of these rock stars for my husband at $1.50. I'll pay that at the register and submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, making it just 75 cents. I'm going to grab one of these Lipton teas, the 64 ounces at $1.98 that I'll pay at the register and submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.48. I love a good deal on some cheese because we're always going through it. So we're going to grab 2 of these Sargento sliced cheeses at $3.18 each, which totals us $6.36. I'm going to use this 1 off 2 coupon we got in the 410 Smart Source this week to pay $5.36 at the register. We'll submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back when I purchase 2, making it $4.11 for both. I'm going to grab some of this Jell-O right here at $1, and I will pay that at the register, submit to Ibotta for 10 cents back, making it just 90 cents. I'm going to grab one of these Bumblebee tuna pouches at $1.08, pay that at the register, and submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back, making it 83 cents. No, we don't normally pay for toothpaste. However, this Crest Densify is good stuff. So it is $6.97. I'll use this $3 coupon from the April P&G to pay $3.97 at the register. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making it 97 cents. I didn't get a chance to film the Mountain Dew Major Melon at self-checkout. However, it is $1.98. I'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it 98 cents. At this point, there was about 10,000 people in the personal care section, so filming got a little tricky. However, I grabbed 2 of these Dove Men Plus Care travel items for some Shopkick rebates. So with the Dove Men body and face wash right here, that is $1.73 I paid out of pocket. I'll submit to Shopkick for 500 kicks back. That is $2, making that a 27-cent moneymaker. You can scan the larger one for the 30 scan kicks. However, I forgot to do that. And then with the Dove Men little dry spray deodorant, that is $1.97 I paid out of pocket. Submit to Shopkick for 500 purchase kicks. That is also the equivalent of $2, making that a 3-cent moneymaker. I did remember to scan the larger Dove Men dry spray for 30 scan kicks. I don't know how I forgot to scan the body wash, but just remember with the travel size items, they do qualify for the purchase kicks because there is no size exclusion. They just don't scan for the scan kicks. I've had these products go through multiple times and I got my kicks back just fine every time. Last deal I was looking to do was on some Always Discreet pads. However, my store only had liners, and those size 3 30 count pads did not qualify for the rebate. So I'll have to pass on this, and in exchange for not being able to grab these today, I'll just do another pay with Ibotta once we get back in the car. I'm really loving our haul today. This is some fantastic stuff. So I also have a 10-cent any receipt offer that will track as a offer towards my bonuses I'm working on today. And then, like I said, I'll go ahead and do 3 pay with Ibottas. 1 since I couldn't do the always pads, and then the other 2 just to finish up my bonuses. So we're going to check out with this, and then we'll go over the receipts, how everything turned out, and the final cost. I almost forgot. Colt came into the store, had his own grocery list, wanted to get some things for himself. So in this next clip, this is him showing you what all he racked up in his Walmart haul today. What did you get today? Did you get anything good? I think you got some meals. Yeah, meals. What kind did you get? Oh, okay, we can't eat it yet. What else did you get? What did you get? A Blue's Clues Easter basket? You're still interested in the meals. Okay, a Blue's Clues Easter basket. And some veggie puffs. Wow. That's quite the haul, guy. Hopefully you have a low out of pocket. Mixing things up, we are doing the outro and final numbers portion this way. It was just easier for me than filming it in the car. The little guy just really wanted to go home so he could eat his all new snacks. So everything here would have cost us $44.40 originally before the $4 in coupon savings I had today. So that dropped it down to $40.40 I paid out of pocket. From Shopkick, we are pending a total of $4.14, so 1,000 purchase kicks between the Dove dry spray and the body and face wash. We got 10 walk-in kicks for walking in the store and 30 scan kicks because I scanned the larger Dove men's dry spray. So a total of $4.14 back coming from Shopkick. From Fetch Rewards, we got back a total of 185 points, so 18 cents is the equivalent of that. Just some additional points for buying the Sargento cheeses, that Mountain Dew, and the Pepsi. And then from Ibotta, we got back a total of $12.45 in just the rebates alone today. I did do those 3 pay with Ibottas when I got home, so that completed my $10 bunny hop bonus and my $3 midweek bonus. So that was a lot of cash back from Ibotta, about $24, $25. So everything would have cost, like I said, $44.40 before any coupon savings. Our final cost comes to $10.63 for 17 items, or roughly about 62 cents each, which I still think is fantastic. That's about, I think, 77% savings, and this is stuff that we would buy anyways. Obviously, my main focus was not moneymakers and freebies. I wanted to grab stuff that we would actually use. Slider bags always, dog treats, cheese, drinks, diapers for baby showers. That's always super clutch. So I am very content with my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some ideas of what rebates you may want to do this week at Walmart. And I don't think I mentioned, but all the coupons, the 2 coupons I used, did scan perfectly fine. No issues at self-checkout. So super flawless day at Walmart. Let me know if you're doing any Ibotta shopping this week. If you are new to Ibotta or Shopkick or Fetch Rewards, my referral links are down in the description box. So that is it for me. Thank you guys for coming along shopping with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.